Hello Immians, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing my anti-aging and facelifting massage at home using a gua sha tool. I'm going to be showing you guys a full tutorial of how to do this at home for free, how easy it is to do, and also how you can start doing it right now while you watch me. So even if you don't have a tool like this, you can do this with your hands, and I want you guys to follow along with me and get the full results. But before I do move into the actual tutorial, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, hit the subscription box below, and also don't forget to hit that little bell icon so you guys can get notified every time I do upload. So guys, before I do this massage, I like to get really nice and relaxed. I love to do this after taking a bath, and I love to have a nice big mug of green tea. And I generally do this at night because the gua sha tool actually helps get your skincare penetrating into your skin a lot deeper. The other thing I like to do is have a face oil. You can use any face oil. I'm just going to be using this vitamin C face oil that I have. You can use absolutely any serum or face oil while you use your gua sha tool. And you can also, if you want to do this massage without the tool, you can definitely do that. You don't need any tools for this. You can just use your hands. Your hands are the best tools basically. So I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do that. The other thing is, make sure your skin is really clean, no makeup at all. And the thing that I'm going to be showing you guys today is the gua sha tool in rose quartz. So this actually comes in two different kinds. So we've got the jade gua sha tool, and then we've got the rose quartz gua sha tool. You can use either of them. They both have different properties, but generally the rose quartz one is really calming for the skin. It actually helps with wrinkles and preventing fine lines. This tool, this stone, actually also helps to really depuff the skin, so it's actually really great to use. The other thing I like to do is put this in hot water before I use it, because when I apply the oil and then when I start using this tool on my face, it actually helps the oil absorb a lot better. And then before I finish off, I just ice the face a little bit, and then it just closes all my pores and I'm ready to go to bed. So as always, I'm gonna start off by applying my oil, and the first step that I like to do is apply it to my neck. I like to start all my massages with my neck. I've actually shared two other face massages on my channel, so if you haven't actually checked them out, I will try to link them in the description box below. So the gua sha tool actually has different sides that you can use. For the neck, I generally like to use this one, and you want to do it firmly but in a gentle way. Like, you don't want to do it where it's just too much pressure, and you're going to start going downwards. So with your anti-aging and firming massage, when you want like a natural facelift, you want to do everything upwards, except the neck, you want it to go downwards. I generally like to do each exercise movement of the face massage for about 30 seconds to 40 seconds. Anything over that just is too rough for my skin, because my skin is so sensitive. So it just really depends on you. And when you get the hang of this and when you practice this enough, you can actually just do it while you watch TV or something, which is actually what I do, because otherwise I would actually not have the time to sit down and, you know, take the minute to do this. I just multitask, and I would have the TV on, I'll be watching Anaya, and then I'll just do this massage. I also have another massage on my YouTube for lymphatic drainage, so make sure you guys check that out as well. This face lifting massage will also help you with lymphatic drainage. For this part, you can even use your hands. So I'm going to start off by tucking in my jawline like this. As you can see, I'm basically just using both of my fingers and tucking them in. Also, while I tuck this in, I'm actually just lifting it upwards, and I'm applying pressure upwards. Now we're going to be using this side of the tool, and we're going to be pulling the face upwards. If you don't have the tool, just use your hands and start doing that motion. So you're actually just pulling everything upwards, and the fine lines that you get across the mouth, you just want to like do that to them. Just open them up like that and really just pull everything upwards. So I'm just going to use my tool and start doing this. So for the under eyes and the sensitive area over here, you want to use this side over here and actually not apply too much pressure. You just want to pull it upwards like that, just so you're just really gently opening up the under eye area, but not putting too much pressure because it's still quite a delicate area. So other than opening up the under eye area, this is going to help with your puffiness in the under eye area and also dark circles, because it really promotes the blood flow under your eyes. This also smooths out those wrinkles and fine lines. And we're going to now use this part and this part for the top of our head. So you want to use this like upwards, and if you don't have the tool, you can just really use your fingers and start massaging upwards like that. And then after I go down on the nose, I just take it back upwards like that. So if you're someone that suffers from fine lines around the mouth, also known as laugh lines, you want to get the tool and really just open up those lines like that. So for the last part of my massage, I like to make 2 fists and then actually just push everything upwards. This is probably gonna feel really weird, but you do want to put a little bit of pressure, and you just want to push everything upwards like that. Okay, and as always, I'm going to finish off my massage with slapping my face. I've mentioned this in so many videos that I've done with face massage, that this is going to promote the blood flow and just help even out your skin tone, and also help penetrate that little bit of product left, you know, on the skin, to get deep into the skin. So I'm just going to start by patting my face, and then I'm going to slap my face. Okay guys, we are at the end of our massage. I'm gonna finish off by icing my face, just because I used the Gua Sha tool hot. Make sure you try this at home and let me know how you go. Let me know if your face is getting a natural free facelift at home, and send me pictures if you do try it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Good night and bye bye.